From the shattered gates of Eldrethor I set my weary feet, where the sun once kissed the marble, now the endless twilight meets. No star dares pierce the canopy where ancient evils brood. So I carry but a single flame, my only shield of good. Lantern to lantern I chase the golden glow, step by step through the whispering dark where the shadows grow. Evil slumbers in the velvet black, hungry for the light, but as long as my lantern burns, I'll keep the night at bay tonight. Through the whispering woods I wandered, where the trees have eyes of coal, hooked aloft with silver voices, trying to steal my soul. A wisp light danced before me, false and cold as winter's breath. But I turned my face to the next warm flame and denied the call of death. Oh, lantern to lantern I chase the golden glow, step by step through the whispering dark where the shadows grow. Evil slumbers in the velvet black, hungry for the light, but as long as my lantern burns, I'll keep the night at bay tonight. In the ruins of Eloria, where the statues weep black tears, great worms of shadow uncoil from cracks that span 1,000 years. They hiss my name in forgotten tongues, promising endless rest. Yet I lift my lantern higher still and leave them to their nest. Across the glass desert I stumbled under moons of blood-red hue, where sand wraiths rise on silent wings and swallow travelers whole. Each crumbling shrine holds a fragile spark, a beacon frail but true. I run from one to the next, praying the oil will see me through. Oh, lantern to lantern I chase the golden glow, step by step through the whispering dark where the shadows grow. Evil slumbers in the velvet black, hungry for the light, but as long as my lantern burns, I'll keep the night at bay tonight. The old hermit at the final light said, "Fool, why not embrace the dark? The evil sleeps within us all, one flame cannot leave its mark." I smiled as I trimmed the wick and shouldered my pack once more. For while one lantern still may burn, hope walks the roads of yore. Oh, lantern to lantern, though the world may fall tonight, I'll keep moving, ever seeking that defiant spark of light. Evil may slumber in the shadows deep, dreaming of endless shade, but this wanderer will never yield while my lantern's flame is made. Okay, so if you hear boots on the old lost road and a flicker in the gloom, know a soul still walks between the lights, defying eternal doom. Lantern to lantern, lantern to lantern,